Are you one of those people who've always thought, felt, and been told, you've got to write a book? Or perhaps you've already written a book and haven't been able to sell it as you thought and expected that you could. I've achieved New York Times #1 success 59 times. I've sold over 500 million books. So I'm thankful that I never gave up on my dream and my hopes and my prayers over my heart and soul. Now I've compiled my 40 years of writing experience and success into a course that'll help you launch your full potential as a successful author. If you've had that book idea in your head and heart, but you haven't done anything about it because you just didn't know how to start, then pay attention close, because I'm about to tell you, like I said, it's going to change your life. I've developed a 12-lesson virtual writing course for you that will help you get started now and give you all the tools to write a best-selling book.
Writing a book is one of the most powerful things you can do because it leaves your legacy forever. You write your book and you put your thoughts down onto a piece of paper to share with the world, and it allows you to reach new audiences that you would have never been able to reach without writing a book.
Have you ever considered what writing a book can do for you? Well, I'll tell you what it's done for me. It's meant that I've met fabulous people. I've had incredible speaking invitations. And something else, when you've written a book, it tells people that you're for real. You've put the thought, effort, knowledge into writing a book, and it just automatically ensures that you're seen as an expert. It's priceless.
For a long time, I had the dream of wanting to write my own book, and I started it, and I had kind of gotten along the way, but I hit a wall, and I really wasn't sure what would be necessary to kind of finish it up. And, you know, I had the opportunity to take Mark Victor Hansen's You've Got a Bestseller in Your program, and not only did it teach me what I needed to know about writing the book, but it also taught me the most important component that I just wasn't prepared for, and that was how to market it. What do you have to do to market a book and truly turn it into a piece of collateral, something that you can use to generate additional income? It's not just the book, it's the marketing. And beyond that, it's what else you can do to monetize that book and that experience.
Boy, do I wish somebody offered me this course or one like it when I was getting started. I would have bought it instantly. It certainly would have given me that shortcut to success, saving me time, money, effort, trials, tribulation, and learning.
Writing a book has changed my life dramatically. I never imagined how much it would change my life, actually. I now speak to audiences all over the world. I'm reaching people that I never thought I'd reach. I travel, and it's just an amazing way to connect with the entire world.
This is Art Mortel, and I agree with Mark Victor Hansen. You have a book inside of you. Maybe it's a memoir. All the journals you may have ever written, all the thoughts you've ever had, the challenges you've confronted in your life, maybe the adversity, maybe the negative feedback you've experienced, the frustrations you've been through, the war stories that you want to pass on, the legacy beyond your children to your grandchildren and beyond. Maybe it's a personal avocation or the travels that you've had, the interesting experiences, or maybe it's just something humorous or funny, but you've got a book inside of you.
I can help you bring your dream of being an author and being a successful author to life right now. I'm going to tell you not only how to start, but how to finish, how to be immensely profitable, how to make your book a winner. No other course out there does all this for you.
I encourage you all to go take the opportunity and write a book and change the world today.
And I am so glad that I took Mark up on the offer to be a part of the You've Got a Bestseller in You program. I highly recommend this. You don't want to miss this opportunity. If you've ever wanted to monetize your story or figure out how to tell your story to the world, knowing that there was something there, but you didn't know how to quite do it, who better to teach you than the #1 all-time best-selling nonfiction author of all time, Mark Victor Hansen. So this program has worked for me. I highly recommend you take a close look.
And Mark Victor Hansen, think of the success he's had. He knows how to create a book. He can be your role model, your mentor to developing the book within you.
That's what I want to do for you. So don't let your dreams and your music die in your heart and soul. Let me bring your book and your story and your messages to life in a book. Let's get started today. Join me by signing up now.